Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to all of you. So today we will see the question paper of SET examination 2021's question paper. So we will quickly solve it. Only the answers I am telling you, not with the explanation. Let's see. First question. There are 50 questions asked for the 100 marks. As we know that paper first of the Maharashtra SET examination. Okay guys. So the first question is here. Understanding level of teaching include dash. Memory, aptitude, insight, creativity. So the correct option is option number first and third, that is memory and insight. So C is correct here. Question number 2. The most intellectually fertile period of human being is. मानवाच्या जीवनातील सर्वोच्च बौद्धिक सुपीकतेचा काळ कोणता? तर तो असतो इट वॉज द adolescence or we call it that कुमारावस्था. Then question number 3. Online discussion forum of Swayam is for. Online discussion forum जो असतो तो कशासाठी असतो? तर तो असतो शंका समाधान करण्यासाठी, क्लिअरिंग द डाउट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4. History cannot be taught by using. So history cannot be taught by using. History digital chart यूज करके बताई जा सकती है. म्हणजे हिस्ट्रीचा उपयोग आपण इतिहास विषय हा जर शिकवायचा असेल तर त्यामध्ये कशाचा वापर करता येणार नाही, तर दिग्दर्शन पद्धत किंवा डायमेन्शनल मेथड. बघा आपण रोल प्ले करू शकतो. एखाद्याला एखाद्याची भगतसिंगांची भूमिका करायला सांगितली किंवा अशा रोल प्ले करून आपण कॅरेक्टर सांगू शकतो. मॅप्स आपण यूज करू शकतो. डिजिटल तक्ते पण वापरू शकतो. फक्त डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन मेथड इथे वापरता येणार नाही. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ऍब्सोल्यूट अँड रिलेटिव्ह grading are type of dash grading. So the answer is A, indirect. The absolute and relative grading is a type of a indirect grading. म्हणजे निरपेक्ष आणि सापेक्ष श्रेयांकीकरण हे श्रेयांकीकरणाचे प्रकार आहेत, तर ते अप्रत्यक्ष श्रेयांकीकरणाचे प्रकार आहेत. क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट. Most essential quality for a researcher is. What is the most essential? Most essential is asked here. So what is the most essential quality for any researcher? तर संशोधकासाठी सर्वात महत्वाचा गुण हा असतो जीनियस इंटरेस्ट इन रिसर्च, म्हणजे संशोधनातील मनापासून असणारी अभिरुची. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रेकॉर्डिंग ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिव्ह नोट्स इन क्वालिटेटिव्ह रिसर्च इज कॉल्ड ॲज. recording of reflective notes in the qualitative research which is known as it is memoing. मराठीमध्ये पण बघूया. गुणात्मक संशोधनात चिंतनशील टिपाच्या नोंदी करणे यास काय म्हणतात? तर यास म्हटलं जातं टिपण काढणे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ व्हेरिएबल academic achievement will be measured on. A variable academic achievement, it is a interval. Okay, it's not a nominal, not a ratio, not a ordinal. There are the 4 important variable academic achievement. There's a measurement. So nominal, what is nominal, what is interval, what is ratio? So interval is the correct option. म्हणजेच अंतर. तर शैक्षणिक संपादन हे चल अंतर या श्रेणीवर मोजले जाईल. नेक्स्ट. इफ अ फ्रिक्वेन्सी distribution has some extreme scores, then appropriate measure of central tendency will be. So it will be maiden. ओके. जर वारंवारता वितरणामध्ये काही टोकाचे प्राप्तांक असतील आणि केंद्रीय प्रवृत्तीचे योग्य परिणाम जर असेल तर आपल्याला मध्यंक हे त्याचं करेक्ट एक मेजर आपल्याला वापरता येईल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. अ रिसर्च पेपर इज बेस्ड ऑन. रिसर्च पेपर इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रायमरी अँड सेकंडरी डाटा. आपला जो संशोधन लेख जो असतो तो कशावरती आधारित असतो? तो प्राथमिक माहितीवरती पण आणि दुय्यम माहितीवरती पण आधारित असतो. Now, it is a paragraph in English also, in Marathi also. So I read only the English, which on basis we analyze the question answer. An earthquake comes like a thief in the night. Listen guys, we number of time we ignore the paragraph practices. So comprehension is also must for the practice. So we should go through the whole para and try to analyze the questions. Okay. So an earthquake comes like the thief in the night without warning. It was necessary, therefore, to invent instruments that neither slumbered nor slept. Some devices were quite simple. One, for instance, consisted of rod of various lengths and thickness, which would stand up on end like the ninepins. When a shock came, it to shook the rigid table upon which these stood if we were gentle. Okay. What is next? Only the most unstable rods fail. If it were served, they all fail. Thus, the rods by falling and by the direction in which they failed recorded for the slumbering scientist, then strength of the shock that was too weak to waken him, and direction from which it come for the instrument for a more delicate than it was needed if any really serious advance to be made. So this is how the paragraph. In Marathi there is a different, in English there is a different. So whichever is useful, which you really understand, which you really comprehend. If you are really understood best part in your mother tongue in Marathi, then you go with this para, and if you that comfortable with the English, then you can go with it. Okay, so we will solve it now. You can pause the video and read the whole para if necessary. So this passage says that early instrument for measuring earthquake were, there is no sensitive enough. Answer C is correct. Then the author says that it was necessary to invent instrument to observe an earthquake became. So option number B is correct here. An earthquake comes all of a sudden like a thief, which was the first line of our para. The earlier device, question number 13, the earlier device consisting of rod was replaced because it failed to record the measurements with the pen or paper. Question number next 14. The everyday observation mentioned in the passage is related to the tendency of standing person to fall when a bus or train moves suddenly. Now the next question, according to the passage, the meaning of the word slumber, it is a kind of a sleep. Okay. So the next question, according to the Newcomb, dash is not much important communication cycle. न्यूकॉमच्या मते संप्रेषण चक्रामध्ये हा फार महत्वाचा घटक नसतो. तर त्यांच्या मते त्यांनी सांगितलेल्या थेअरीमध्ये मीडिया हा महत्वाचा घटक नसतो. Next 17 question, which is one of the following most important factor to become communication effectively? Communication want more effective, that is the immediate feedback of that. When the persons are communication and there is an instant feedback of that, so it should become the effective communication. म्हणजे संप्रेषण प्रभावी होण्यासाठी सर्वात महत्वाचा घटक असतो तो म्हणजे, आता बघा माध्यम पण महत्वाचा आहे, संदेश पण, प्रेषक पण, सर्वात महत्वाचा जर काय असेल तर पटकन लगेच त्वरित प्रत्याभरण किंवा फीडबॅक देणे. Question number 18, supervisor in factory work. Supervisor in factory orders workers and workers follow the order. This dash type of a communication is a supervisor in the factory. Now these are the types of the communication: vertical, horizontal, non-formal, formal, then the downward, upward, like that. So we have to recognize, so it is a vertical because supervisor in factory order the worker and worker follows the order. कारखान्यातील पर्यवेक्षकाने कामगारांना आज्ञा केली व ती कामगारांनी पाळली तर हे कशाचं उदाहरण आहे? अनुलंब, ज्याला आपण वर्टिकल, we say that vertical communication. Next, unattentiveness of receiver may affect the effectiveness of the communication. ग्राहकाचे अनावधान हे त्याच्या संप्रेषणाच्या परिणामकारकतेवरती परिणाम करू शकते. Question number 20. Programs on TV channel sometimes mislead society because whatever programs or the TV channel shows or the broadcast the shows that sometimes mislead the society because difference in the sender and receiver's perception according to the perspective of communication. Communication च्या पर्स्पेक्टिव्हने हा प्रश्न जर आपण बघितला तर कशामुळे होतं हे तर प्रेषक व ग्राहक यांच्यामध्ये असणारा अवघड त्यामुळे हा फरक तयार होत असतो. Now, consider a road map of a city having the 5 approach road from the other places, 10 junctions. No internal road has a dead end. Every junction, expect one is associated with the 4 road. If number n is road are associated, so with the remaining junction, then which of the following value is impossible for n? So, it is a reasoning kind of a question. So, the option number 6 is correct. Now the next, an honest person somehow guaranteed two different person X and Y individually to hand over the complete amount available in his unique purse. In which way the situation he will fulfill? So the correct option is if there is no money in his purse. Okay. Immediately after 12 o'clock, at what time duration both the minute hand and the hour hand? So the minute hand and hour hand create after 1 hour 5 minutes and before 1 hour 6 minutes. So the correct option is C. Question number 24. Here we have to calculate the percentage. The correct option was the 0. Now the percentage profit earned by the selling an atom for 2120 in same as the percentage loss incurred by the selling same for the 1480. So answer is 2160. Arrange the following term in the meaningful logical order. So the correct order is 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. That is population, then disease, population, then unemployment. ज्यादा पॉप्युलेशन झाली त्यामुळे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वाढलं, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वाढलं त्यामुळे गरिबी आली, गरिबीमुळे खूप डिझीज आले आणि डिझीजमुळे मग नंतर डेथला कॉज झाला. ओके. It is also we have to solve the question if QT XL is coded as the OPGG. So correct option is B is here. Then by drinking Bournvita with the water gives energy. By drinking Complan with the water gives energy. By drinking milk with water give energy. Therefore drinking water one gets energy. This is an example of fallacy. Actually it is a fallacy. Hetvabas. Okay. Which of the following are the valid conclusion based on the statement given below? Two statements are given. All birds are white. All parrots are birds. So some birds are white. So it is a kind of a question that is based on that. I hope that the people know that square equation or table. There is a 4. All we call it that A, that is yes, or the all. Then E, that is no. Universally, we call it that universally no. Then the A, E, I, or O. Okay. So it is a kind of a relation. So the all birds are white, all parrots are birds. So here the conclusion is given. Some parrots are white, all parrots. So the correct option is first and second. How? There is all birds are white and all parrots are birds. So obviously here some birds are white and second some parrots are white. Question number 30. Which of the following diagrams show the correct relation? We have to find out the correct relation athletes, women and mother. So here we can say that it is a athlete. Athlete could be a mother, women, and women could be a mother. So the correct option is B here. It is a question based on the graph. Okay guys. So we have to keenly observe it and solve the questions. So in which year is the percentage of passing of the student maximum? It was in 2000. It is in 2015. The percentage of passing of the student examination for the year 2012 to 15 combined 12 to 15. 12 to 15 combined is 60%. So we have to calculate it. Then arithmetic mean of 12 observation, that is 40. The smallest and largest observation 20 and 60. So we have to remaining observation will not be changed there. Now the question number based on the given information. Here is the information given. Out of the 80 players, 35 play cricket, 42 play hockey, 45. We can make the diagram and we can solve it also. Okay. How many players are playing on the game? That is a 60 men. How many players are exactly playing the two game? That is 16. Then which of the following is the correct form of अर्नेट? अर्नेट का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? सो अर्नेटचा फुल फॉर्म आपल्याला सांगायचा आहे, तर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एज्युकेशनल अँड रिसर्च नेटवर्क. Then who helped the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in revaluation India's telecommunication policy? दिवंगत पंतप्रधान राजीव गांधी यांना भारताच्या दूरसंचार धोरणात बदल घडवण्यास कोणी मदत केली? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सॅम पित्रोदा. Which among the following is basically an instant messenger? That is WhatsApp. As compared to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, the instant message feedback on WhatsApp. Sarthi is the web portal. Sarthi is a web portal for the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. सारथी हे पुढीलपैकी कोणाचे संकेतस्थळ आहे? So the correct option is option number C. BYOD in the context of digital initiative in higher education in India is bring your own device. So the correct option is C. Presence of E. coli is what? E. coli in water is an the indicator of what? पाण्यामध्ये E. coli असणे म्हणजे पाणी E मुळे दूषित होते, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ होतो सॅवेज. During daytime noise pollution is residential area should not be exceed than 55 decibel. The regulate and control the transboundary movement of hazard waste known as the Basel Convention. Option number A is correct. 44. There are number of acts in India that prevent the control of pollution. One of the following act is known as Comprehensive Umbrella Act. So the correct option is Environment Protection Act. How many goals have been set in the Sustainable Development by United Nations? That is 17 goals. It was the easy question. Which of the following universities was the center of military education during Vedic period? Takshashila. A option is correct. Minimum period for PhD students should be 2 years and there should be a viva or the examination for the PhD degree. This recommendation was made by Radhakrishna Commission. Option number C. Question number 48. Teacher education considered as a professional. Then the question number 49. Nomenclature of the Education Department of India has been changed to Human Resource Development in the year of 2005. Which of the following institution is not funding for the research activities? That is NCT. I already prepared a video which are the funding agencies and what they are the main work. So you can find on my channel. There is a detailed video on the funding institutions. Okay, so DBT is the funding institution, DST is also ICSSR, NCT is not the correct option, so the D is correct option of our answer.